Hi guys, so today we are diving into the fragrant and flavorful fusion dish that's sure to tantalize your taste buds. Chicken Kabsa Biryani. Kabsa is beloved rice dish from the Arabian Peninsula, and we are combining its rich flavors with a popular biryani style to create a truly special culinary experience. Think tender chicken, aromatic rice, and a symphony of warm spices like cardamom, saffron, and cloves. Get ready to experience the warmth and generosity of Arabian cuisine with a delightful twist. I'll guide you through every step of this recipe, from preparing the flavorful chicken to cooking the perfectly fluffy rice. This dish is perfect for gatherings, special occasions, or simply a delicious and satisfying meal. So gather your spices, your finest rice, and prepare to be transported to the world of rich aromas and unforgettable flavors. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more delicious recipes from around the globe. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first, in a hot pan, add oil. Add 1/4 cup cashew nuts, 1/4 cup raisins, 1/4 cup almonds, and fry it until it gets a nice golden brown color. Then leave it aside to use it later. Then in a hot pan, add oil. Add 1 teaspoon black peppercorns, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 inch cinnamon stick, 5 green cardamom, 6 cloves, 2 bay leaves, and fry it for few seconds. Then add 3 onions chopped and fry it until the onion is nice and light brown. Then add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and fry it for a minute. Then add 650 grams chicken leg and thigh pieces. And fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until chicken changes its color. Then add half cup tomato puree. Add 1 tablespoon tomato paste. Add some salt to taste. Add half tablespoon white pepper powder, 1 tablespoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon fresh lemon zest, half tablespoon coriander powder, 3 green chilies whole, and fry the masalas for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then add 4 cups water. Add some salt to taste. Add 2 stock cubes and then give it a nice mix. Then cover it and cook it for about 15 minutes. Then simply remove the chicken pieces and keep it in a separate plate. As you can see that the stock has got a nice flavor of tomato, spices, and chicken. Then simply add the 2 cups basmati rice washed and soaked for about 30 minutes. Then give it a nice mix. And cover it and cook it until the rice is 70% cooked. Then in a hot pan, add oil and then simply fry the cooked chicken until crispy and golden brown. As you can see that it has got a nice golden brown color. Make sure it is something like this. When it is ready, simply leave it aside. Then check on the rice. As you can see that the rice is cooked for about 70% now, and there is still some stock water remaining. Then cover it and cook it again on a low flame until the rice is 90% cooked. As you can see that the rice is cooked for about 90% now. Then simply add the fried raisins and nuts. Add the fried chicken. Add 1/4 cup saffron water. Add handful of chopped coriander leaves. And then cover it and cook it until the rice is fully cooked, and cook it on a low flame. So the Kabsa Biryani is ready. And there you have it guys, a truly magnificent chicken Kabsa Biryani. I hope you enjoyed experiencing this fusion of flavor with me. Don't forget to let me know in the comments how your Kabsa Biryani turned out. Please do like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more delicious recipes. I hope you and your loved ones enjoy this Kabsa Biryani as much as I do. It's a dish that embodies hospitality and warmth with a delightful twist. I encourage you to try this recipe at home and share this culinary experience. The aroma, the flavors, the textures, that's the beauty of chicken Kabsa Biryani. I hope you'll recreate this Arabian feast with a twist in your own kitchen. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.